You see a massive green candle pushing upward, and you buy the breakout. But the moment you click buy, the momentum stalls. The next candle flashes red, completely wiping out your position. That rapid reversal happens because retail traders chase fast-moving prices out of fear of missing out. Meanwhile, central banks, hedge funds, and major liquidity providers operate differently. They wait for the price to come to them. To trade alongside that smart money, we are going to use a strict three-step framework. First, we identify the exact zone where institutions start building their positions. Next, we wait for a specific algorithmic correction. And finally, we execute a low-risk entry precisely when the momentum shifts back in our favor. To execute this, you only need a standard trading chart and 3 specific exponential moving averages, or EMAs. Shifting from a reactive mindset to this proactive structure puts you on the same side of the trade as the market makers, instead of providing the liquidity for their profits. This chart shows the primary baseline we need, the 200 exponential moving average. This thick white line acts as the foundational filter used by massive financial institutions to determine the market's primary trend direction. We are looking for the starting point. This is the exact area on the chart where price interacts with the 200 EMA and violently accelerates away from it. To confirm the market structure has shifted, we watch for a death cross. Notice how this pink line, the 50 EMA, drops down through the 200 EMA. That cross signals a definitive change in the dominant trend. That massive downward push takes enormous capital. Institutions are aggressively building large short positions, driving the price fast enough to leave hesitant retail traders behind. By locating this aggressive move away from the 200 EMA, you confirm exactly where the market makers have tipped their hand. You now know the exact direction of the dominant momentum. After that initial push, the market inevitably pulls back. When price retraces against the trend, inexperienced traders panic, assuming momentum has entirely reversed. Look at this price action as it pulls back up toward the pink 50 EMA. This specific line is an action zone. Algorithmic money uses this exact boundary to acquire new positions at a cheaper price. While novice traders fear those corrective green candles, institutional systems wait patiently. They hold off until the price retraces completely into the 50 EMA to get the best possible fill. The most common mistake here is impatience. If you execute a trade before the price physically reaches that 50 EMA boundary, you expose yourself to unnecessary risk. Treating these upward corrections as discounted entry opportunities rather than threats is exactly how you align your entries with algorithmic order flow. This close-up shows the exact moment to strike. Right at the 50 EMA line, price forms a double top resistance pattern, immediately followed by a large red bearish engulfing candle. We then apply one final filter to confirm the short-term momentum. This blue line is the 13 EMA. Notice how it stays entirely underneath the pink 50 EMA during this pullback. That gives us stacked confluence. We have the dominant trend, the 50 EMA reload zone, the double top, the bearish engulfing signal, and the 13 EMA all aligning perfectly in one exact location. Do not enter yet. You must wait for that bearish engulfing candle to close completely to confirm the pattern is locked in. The second that signal candle closes, you execute your sell trade exactly on the open of the next immediate candle. Zero hesitation. By requiring multiple technical indicators to overlap perfectly, you remove the guesswork. You only put capital at risk when the mathematical probability is heavily skewed in your favor. Now look at the risk control on this setup. Your stop loss goes immediately above that signal candle, capping your downside tightly if the market decides to break higher. Your take profit target must be set at a minimum risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2, or ideally 1 to 3. The potential reward box should be 3 times larger than your risk box. When the sellers regain control, price collapses exactly as anticipated. Your tightly controlled risk is quickly converted into an outsized profit. Strong trends rarely offer just one entry. As the primary push exhausts, a secondary correction wave begins, slowly climbing back up to our action zone. Price strikes the 50 EMA again, and another bearish engulfing candle forms. Because the rules are met, you execute a second identical setup right here, letting 2 winning trades run parallel within the same overall trend. Operating strictly at a 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio means you can actually afford to lose multiple trades and still walk away profitable. That structural edge is how institutions maintain long-term consistency. You no longer need to react to rapid, chaotic price spikes. Instead, you have a mechanical, rule-based system to guide every decision. You locate the institutional starting point, you wait for the exact algorithmic pullback to the 50 EMA, and you execute with strict, defined risk management. Pull up your own charts today, add the 200, 50, and 13 EMAs to your platform, and look back through historical price data to test this exact sequence for yourself. Following a strict, repeatable blueprint strips the emotion out of your trading. You stop gambling on the next candle and start operating the way professional capital moves.